What's up, y'all? Welcome back, and we're about to get straight into this look. So we're gonna start off with the ball cap. I already done put the glue on it, let it dry, and then I'm applying my makeup that is closest to her skin tone. And then after that, I'm trying on the wig, and I did do this custom color, and it came out perfect. So trying on this wig, making sure it fits, and then I'm gonna cut the excess lace off from her ear. Alright, y'all know before we put any glue on the skin, I'm going to clean her forehead off with 91% alcohol and then spray a skin guard. And then I applied 4 layers of lace glue and allowed each layer to dry completely. And then we're going to lay the lace down. Alright, and after the 4th layer has dried, I am now going to lay the lace down, and then after that I'm going to apply an elastic band around it, and then we're going to get into styling. Alright, and after blow drying, I'm going to get into curling. We did go for some big loose curls. So if you guys want a more detailed video on that, just let me know. Now we're about to get into cutting the lace. You just want to make sure you cut in a super jagged motion. And then after that, I'm going to pull out my desired baby hairs and then melt her down one more time. now I'm about to get into the baby hairs. After I have curled them and cut them, I'm using a foam to shape them. Then after that, I allowed her to sit under the dryer for about like 10 to 15 minutes.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Niggas say, no limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Give you that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than no. Just a name on. You be my soldier.
Alright, and after she came up from the dryer, this was the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much, and I will see you on my next video.